Hola clase, I hope that you guys are all doing well. I just wanted to go over what we are going to be doing for this week. If we look at our important due dates, we are now in Module 4. So today you guys should have completed your oral presentation 2. Next week by the 11th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, you'll need to do your peer feedback. And as well, the second rough draft for our second composition will be due by the 11th at 11:59 p.m. It will open up on Wednesday. Then I will give it back to you guys within a week, and it'll be due the final draft through assignments by November 25th. And as always, we have our VHL activities that are going to be due each Sunday and the partner dialogues as well. Okay, so if we go back to content to Module 4, this has already been posted for you guys. You should have already turned this in or been close to turning in the presentation. Under peer review, after posting your oral presentation and VoiceThread, provide feedback on your partner's presentation. If your partner does not post, that's okay. Just respond to 2 classmates' videos. So typically, we would want you to post to your partner dialogues video and somebody else's. But like I said, if your partner doesn't post, just pick 2 random videos, make sure they are presentation 2, and respond to them. So it tells us here, orally and in Spanish, respond to 2 classmates' videos by following these steps. If you do not follow these steps, 50% of your peer review grade will be taken off. Okay, or if you write the feedback instead of saying it orally, as well, the 50% will be taken off. If you do it in English or write it in English as well, you'll get the points taken off. Okay, so watch the presentation, reply to their video with 3 things you learned, comment on 1 thing your partner did well and 1 thing they could improve on. Okay, so make sure you do it not just for your partner's video, but as well for another classmate's. You should do it for 2 different people total. I'll make sure to review this so that it's even more clear, but I just wanted to make sure that everyone understood that. So for our compositions, okay, it does need to be at least 350 words. For the rough draft, it will open Wednesday at 6 a.m., close Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You'll have an hour and a half to complete the rough draft. You may use your textbook. However, you may not use any websites. I'm going to be providing you feedback with specific examples of the most relevant issues. If I were you guys, I would also go in and save what you write for your rough draft, just in case. I know some people didn't have access to it. I tried to copy and paste all of them in the feedback, but if for whatever reason I forget to send it back to you or it doesn't come through on your end with the feedback, just make sure that you also have a copy of what you write in the rough draft so that you're able to have access to it when you go to do your changes for the final draft. Okay, and then here is our VHL calendar guide. These will be the activities that are going to be due for this next week. And right here we have our 2 partner dialogues. They're both under Estructuras que habrían hecho and El futuro. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email during this week. We will not have any VHL or partner dialogues on the 25th of November. So you just have these 2 more weeks and then 1 more week in December, and that'll be all for the partner dialogues and the VHL activities. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you have a good week.